No, 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 no. Hi guys, currently I'm in Laos, in Buddha Park in Vientiane, and now I'm going to eat fried banana that I ordered just now. Can you record? Yeah. Okay, okay, good. И сейчас я, and now I will try this fried banana. Thank you. So here is the banana. So let's try it. It was fried on a charcoal. Okay.
人民币没有，没有1块钱。
It is interesting, and the skin is quite dry and quite hard, so it's not so easy to chew it. Very interesting taste and unusual one. So this is fried banana, and I do enjoy it. I will buy another one next time. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel. It was Rodin on the world, and thanks for watching, and bye.